We'll do the video this way and we'll just do a quick recap on our Veteran Affairs workshop for this today, November 10th of 2024. So what we did today was tomorrow is Veterans Day. So what we wanted to do was make sure that veterans got their discount information, their free meals information. So we got a list available and brought to us by the American Legion, which has a link on their website. I'll leave the description of it below, which basically highlights and showcases all the different organizations that they are aware of when it comes to providing free discounts and free meals. Some locations you have to just show your military ID. Some don't require the military ID. Some you have to make a purchase in order to receive the extra free stuff. Maybe a purchase of a beer or a purchase of an appetizer, and then you get the free meal. For certain places, you get 20% off. Other places, you get 10% off. One of the locations even offers 50% off of your meal. And a lot of it is when it comes to admissions to like zoos. Different zoos across the nation are basically providing a 50% discount to entrance fees or admission fees, also providing that for families. So make sure that whenever you go to any other locations tomorrow on Veterans Day, just make sure to just ask the question, keep looking, keep checking, see what they have and see if they do have anything offered or available for veterans on Veterans Day. Just wanted to do that. This was one of the episodes that we did for the veteran workshop, but this is the Veteran Awareness Project. This is what we do every Sunday, 12 noon. If you like the information that we provide, please make sure to subscribe, like the channel, leave any comments of any other benefits or discounts that you know. Oh, I forgot to mention, ID me, ID.me. Make sure to sign up for that where you can get benefits and discounts and even cash back offerings for being a military veteran, being a government worker, being a nurse or medical provider or a first responder or even an educator and a teacher. You get discounts on all those different and it's available to all those different that I mentioned basically. So you're able to use that, you're able to obtain that, you can get cash back, and they have certain discounts on certain locations, different corporations and companies that you can take advantage of. Hey, if you purchase stuff all the time from Adidas, they provide a 40% discount for military. Military members, hey, I know you go through running sneakers all the time. That's a plus. And you can get cash back on it also. So keep that in mind. But like I said, this iteration of the workshop was basically just to advise veterans and go over a list that was provided by the American Legion over discounts and free meals. I'll also provide different links from military.com and another association, basically all the links that they provided, because not all the organizations know what others are providing. But this way is just a roundup and a highlight. Appreciate it. Thank you for your service. Thank you for deciding to serve this country. I appreciate you. As always, be good to one another. Look out for one another. Take care of one another. And love one another. And stay marvelous while doing it. I'm Just Cruz. This is the Veteran Awareness Project. Peace.